Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. AliExpress is now having Black Friday sale from November the 23rd to November the 29th. Thousands of wig selections are up to 50% off. This 13x4 body wave front lace wig from AliExpress Wowear selection is only $38.50 when you use code WW30. It's 18 inches long and 180% density. More codes are in my caption. Hurry before they run out. And if you want to find more wigs of good quality at great prices, open your AliExpress app and search WW30 to find more influencer pics. I love the way that the hair feels. It has a lot of qualities that I like, especially the cap design with the adjustable strap and then the additional adjustable strap. And what I really love is this large parting area of lace, which is going to be great for the style that I want to do today. But of course, this is transparent lace and definitely not the color for my complexion. And I love the way it fits my head, so this is fantastic. I think overall, this is going to be a great installation, but I definitely want to do something different for this transformation. I love styles from the 20s and the 30s because I'm an old movie buff. So what I want to do with this beautiful 13x14 front lace wig from AliExpress is a nostalgic style from the 20s and 30s. The first thing I want to do with this wig is to go ahead and remove the large adjustable strap, and I am not going to need all of these combs because they can irritate my head because I don't have any hair here. But for those of you who are going to be wearing this wig and you're going to braid your hair, you got a lot of hair under it, you might want to keep these combs in so they can clip into your own hair and hold even better. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these combs and shampoo the wig and start preparing it for this deep side part that I want to do for this 1920s to 30s hairstyle. So I have shampooed the wig and you can see the true length of 18 inches. Hair feels really soft. I'm liking it already. Very easy to detangle by always starting at the ends and working your way up to the root. With a body wave wig like this, roller setting it is going to make the curls just stay in so much more firm. And I'm going to use my very favorite Isoplus Natural Remedy Tea Trees Foaming Wrap Setting Lotion that you can purchase at my website. Just click the link in the description with my information and it will take you to my website where I have my store. I'm not a fan of a lot of baby hair, but I am going to use a little bit right there to just do something cute with. So let's go ahead and install this beauty. Again, lock that comb up under my braid, secure it that way. Feels great. Okay. I am going to use a combination of tapes and the Great White adhesive by Walker Tapes, which is also sold on my website. It's very easy to use. I'm just going to put it in the center part right here. Now where is my part? My part is on the left. I want to make sure that that area over there is transparent. First layer. I don't want my hairline to be too far forward. I am just going to tweak this hairline. Cutting the lace and not the hair. I like the side part. There are thousands of wigs for this Black Friday sale from November the 23rd through November the 29th, where you can get gorgeous wigs just like this for up to 50% off just by using the code WW30. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, most of all subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will always know when I'm doing something new and different here on Miss Lola's Hair and More. Have a blessed holiday, enjoy your family and friends, and I will see you all very soon. Bye bye now, take care.